Question 5, find the missing measures of the right triangle. So we have one angle to find, and then we have 2 side lengths to find. So the angle measure should be pretty easy because we know that all 3 of the angles have to add up to 180 degrees. And even more specifically, if this angle is 90, then these 2 angles also have to add up to 90. So the missing angle down here would be 55 degrees. So the other 2 that we have to find would be AB, and we have to find AC. So let's find X first. If we work with the 35-degree angle, I want to label my triangle according to that angle. So across from this is my opposite, this is my hypotenuse, and this side would be the adjacent. Now I don't really have any need for the adjacent yet. Whoops, wrong eraser. I don't have any need for the adjacent yet because I have an X here and I have my hypotenuse here. So the trig function that uses opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we're going to do sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So we know that sine of 35 is equal to X over 9. X is our opposite, that's what we're looking for, times 9. So we're just going to multiply both of these sides by 9 because I want to get rid of this denominator over here. So we're going to pull up our calculator and we're going to find out what 9 times the sine of 35 is. So 9 times the sine of 35 is approximately 5.16. So let's call that 5.2. And the other one that we need to find is this one over here. So I'm just going to clear this out so that we have a fresh slate to work with. And again, I know that this is 55 down here. I know that this is my X, which we already found, and this is my Y. So really, I don't even need this one down here anymore because I've already found that one. So let's work with this one now. And so let's label our triangle according to this angle. So this would be the opposite. Here's our hypotenuse. This one is our adjacent down here. I don't, again, really have a need for that adjacent because there's no information on this side, and it's not the one that I'm looking for. So the trig function, again, that uses opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we'll do sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. We know that the theta that we're working with this time is 55, so sine of 55 is equal to y over 9. And again, I want to multiply both of these sides by 9 first because I want to get rid of this denominator. And so now we're going to pull out our calculator and we're going to try and figure out what 9 times the sine of 55 is. So 9 times the sine of 55, I should clear all that out first. 9 times the sine of 55 is 7.37 or approximately 7.4.